guys, Custom Minder 1 here. Went out for a blast yesterday afternoon in the off-roaders. It was pretty awesome. Blew a few belts on that thing there. No real biggie. Had the young fella and his missus and little sister there, and they loved it. They've already booked in their the next weekend for it, so they're looking forward to having their little fella have a ride too. A few shout outs for the boys. Big one goes out to go-karts or go fishing, or gone fishing. He organised someone to come over and hit our 200 subscribers. Big shout out to David Johnson, Nevers Projects, T-Man's Go-Karts, Bat Out of Hell Racing, WV Motard, making Trax. One thing I did want to show you guys was I modified these kingpin brackets up the front here on the front axle. I've actually leaned them back towards the back of the vehicle at the top. You can see it a bit better there. It gave us a lot better steering. It was sort of, that was all pointing forward before, and it was steering into the ground, so to speak, and yeah, steering wasn't very good. Now it's really, really good. I got the idea off the kart chassis. Their stub axle is leaning right back and they steer really well. So I did the same on this. And the Sidewinder's got the same sort of setup as well. Doing well. This went really good yesterday. The air filter's falling apart though. Got a stocking to put on over it. See if I can fix it up and glue it back together or something, I don't know. No doubt someone else has had the problem. I'll look for it online and see if I can fix it. This thing's just about due for an oil change. I might do that. We'll make a video on that. It's pretty easy to do. Dump the oil. Little oil filter in that little behind that little cover there. And the 3 Allen head bolts on it. Easy to do. And we'll be pulling this thing apart soon enough. We'll modify the chassis just a little bit. Might even get those stub axle cradles to go down a little bit more there. Raise the front up a bit, give it a bit more clearance. So there we go. I've got to figure out a way to get this battery to charge. There's actually solar panels down at the auto store here. I might just mount it on the back here somewhere. I've got another fuel tank that I can use to get rid of that thing. I've got a stainless tank that we can use. Might mount it up in here somewhere. So there we go. Figured out this thing here is like a 480. You've got plenty of grunt. Just choose belts. So I might have to get a smaller engine for it. So there we go. But the guys loved it. It was really good. Another one I remember there, Dorito on Lucha Cabra. They make some good vids. Fan 1701. I may have said him already. Xeno rules the house. I'm actually getting notifications for some people's videos and then not being able to see the comments. I don't know, it's not coming up in spam or anything. I don't know, it's a bit weird sometimes, so if I'm not responding to you, it's probably something stupid like that. I'd like to give a big shout out to Stacey Reeves, Twisted R Racing. He sent us a few stickers over. I'm going to get some stickers made up. I'll let you know when it's all happening. We'll organise to get some over to you guys over in the US. Anyone else who wants some? Another one for a shout out is Aussie Cartman. Rasta B TV, he makes some nice vehicles there. Bit of gardening as well, good stuff. I'll have to Like I said, I'll have to sit down, write everyone down, and we'll do a video just for that. But I'm actually going to have to give these things a bit of a clean. It was a bit muddy out there yesterday, but it was pretty good value. It's going to take me about 2 hours to bloody clean this thing. The Trax is nice and dirty as well. That's all good. It was worth it. No worries, guys. We'll see you next time.
long as it's not affecting.
Oh my god, she's doing it!
Yeah.
Oh.
Holy shit.
Going up.
Do it again.
That is so cool. I'm still beginning. I don't want to do that yet.
He's ready for action.
Hello.
Oh yeah!